how I plan to be successful in the next year. Today, I'm gonna show you guys 3 ways how I plan to become successful in the next year. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing is working on my craft and building my craft. You wanna be the best at everything you do, because that in return will help you. You can make money off what you're doing. So you guys know I own a clothing brand, and I wanna start elevating my brand to its max potential and start being the best at what I do for my brand. So I'm at a store right now. I'm gonna show you guys what we grab inside. It's gonna help a lot with my brand. I didn't even know Michael had the blanks on them, bro. They got blanks and all that, and they got like this is like literally the heat press vinyl stuff, but we don't do that around here. We only want high quality stuff. I mean, if you do want that cheap quality vinyl, come get it at Michael. I don't do that though. I'm gonna have to get one of these so I can start screen printing my own clothes, you know. But we gonna get that in the future. I'm not gonna lie, I can't find what I need here, so we might have to hit a different store. It's supposed to be on this wall, and they said they had it on the website, but they don't got it. So we better go check out the other store and see if they got it. I'm not gonna lie, they didn't have it in the store. Kind of disappointed about it. How you want arts and craft stores and don't got what's the art and craft. We better go see if it's in Target real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is if we can actually find it. Y'all see the drip though, what we got on our legs today. Go cop them, they almost sold out. $35 reflective track pants. All right, so we in Target right now. We looking for the thing that we need, and hopefully we can find it. Hopefully we don't get harassed because of the camera and get kicked out, because I know Target, they be strict about the camera. So we gotta find this thing quick, gotta get out of here. I'm not gonna lie, I needed these, bro. We about to get these black ones just because black's the best color. No racist stuff. But we about to grab these real quick because we needed them. And it was only $1.50 for 18 of these, so I mean, it's worth it in my opinion. But that's not what we came here for, we still searching. I just got a notification on my phone saying my samples finally in America. New samples on the way. Y'all make sure y'all tune into the brand, watchyourstep.co. Hey, we're looking for D39 right now. Alright, so this is what we're trying to get. We're trying to get this tailor measuring tape that we could use to measure the garments out for my clothing brand. And that should help me elevate my craft by getting the perfect measurements for every piece. We got what we needed, got the package. We about to go to the crib now. And also, bettering your craft doesn't also have to mean you have to buy stuff. You can better your craft by just research and learning stuff about the niche you're in and the subject you're learning. So, I mean, you don't always gotta buy stuff to better your craft. So number 2, what I'm gonna start doing is reading books and bettering my knowledge. So right now, we're about to go to the bookstore, Barnes & Nobles, if y'all heard of it. It's something local here, I'm pretty sure, in my state. We're about to go and get some books that I think that are gonna help me get knowledge. There's one book I'm specifically looking for. A lot of people are talking about that. It gives you a lot of information about real life and when it comes to wealth. So we're gonna see if I can find that book and see if we can pick up some other books too. All right, we just got to Barnes & Nobles, as y'all can see. We about to go ahead and figure out if we can find this book or not and see, you know, we're gonna look for some books that can help give me some knowledge and stuff. I heard reading is really good from a bunch of other millionaires, and I want to try it out and see if it's really worth it. So let's go ahead and go inside and see if we can find it. All right, we at the bookstore here. Like I said, Barnes & Nobles. I'm trying to find the book, but I'm just looking around because it's a personal growth book, as y'all can see right here. Personal growth. And we're just going to see if we can find it or not. So I'm just looking right now to see if I can find it or not. I literally cannot find this book. It's got to be here somewhere. Alright, so we're in the business section now, so it should be in this general area somewhere. So I'm gonna just start looking and look. Should be here soon. Oh, I found it. That one's bent. I gotta get the perfect copy. Alright, it's the book we're trying to get. Heard a lot of good things about Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So y'all can see. My boy Robert about to give out that free game, so you know we're gonna pick this book up 100%. I'm gonna see if I can find some more books that I'm rocking with. I'm gonna pick books right here, bro. They got all the travel books. You know, you guys know me. I want to travel when I grow older and get my money up. I'm gonna have to come back to this store. There's a whole bunch of books here. Like they got budgeting books, all that. You see the travel books. But I'm really interested in is this budgeting 101 book, because I suck at budgeting. They got stock market, debt 101, investing 101. There's a lot of free game in the bookstore, bro. We also consumed on our phones, but really a lot of the game is here in the books. But nah, I got the book though, so now we about to go check this out. Go ahead and cop this, and then we're gonna be on our way to the crib. All right, just got out the bookstore, just copped the book. And now we're about to go to the crib. I'm gonna read this tonight for sure after I'm done editing this video. But then when we go to the crib, I'm gonna show you guys some other things I plan on doing to become successful. I'm not gonna lie to y'all though, I appreciate everybody for showing love. We growing so fast. Like I literally was just at below 100 subs not even a month ago, and now we at 280 subscribers, bro. That's literally insane. We're growing fast, and I appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna try my best to stay consistent for everybody so we can keep bringing out that high quality content that y'all love. So the main reason why I wanted to get this tape, and I'm gonna show you guys how it elevates my craft, is I'm gonna go ahead and start learning how to make my own size charts and measuring out my products so I can start making my own custom sizing. And the measuring tape, the tailor's tape, and I go ahead and just measure stuff like this so I can figure out the size, dimensions, and all that. Alright, so I'm recording this again because I didn't record the first time, but what I'm planning to do is I'm trying to start working out more, trying to eat better, trying to sleep better, and trying to be more productive in my days. I'm trying to build better habits in my life because building good habits will give you good return. Right now, I'm waking up at about 1 p.m., which is horrible. It's not good at all. So I'm not gonna just do all talking. I'm literally going to start all this right now, like as soon as possible. My plan to be successful is to go ahead and scale my business up to its max potential and build myself up to my max potential. And I know I could do it. I just have to put in the work. It's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be hard to break all these habits like eating sugary snacks and all that. But if I wanna be successful, I have to do that. I'm basically making this video to make a document, to make like a video for myself in the future. I can look back on this video one day and be like, oh my God, it all worked and I finally made it. My plan is to try to become successful in the next 10 years. And I know it's possible if I work hard. My goal with YouTube, honestly, to be successful on YouTube is to hit 100K subscribers. Hopefully we hit that one day. I'm gonna work hard for it. I'm gonna upload every 2 days like I'm doing right now. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to comment down below what you liked about this video. Like the video too, it helps me go on the YouTube recommended, and subscribe with post notifications on if you're new around here. And like I said in all my other videos, if you guys do need a manufacturer to make you guys puff printed, embroidery, rhinestones, all these dope pieces for your clothing brand, I have my manufacturer list in the link in the description. It's on my website. Go ahead and check it out. Has all my manufacturer designers and editors I work with, so you guys can, you know, build pieces that are dope like mine. Other than that, it's been your boy Yaster, and I'm out.
They don't understand me. Young and only 17, taking care of